Hi, my name is Daniel Yu, and I'm a fantasy basketball aficionado. And I'm here to teach this course because I want to share my knowledge and my experiences with fantasy basketball. And I want to share that with people that just want to learn how to play. This course is just for anyone that wants to learn how to play fantasy basketball and also want to learn strategies that will help them put in a position to win. Fantasy basketball is just an online game where you could pretend to be general managers of a team full of NBA players and compete with one another to see who has the best team. This course is split up into 4 sections, and in these sections you will learn how to get started with your team in the beginning of the season, make adjustments during the regular season with your team and players, learn the importance of fantasy basketball knowledge, updates, and news, and also learn how to play efficiently during the playoffs. At the end of this course, students will be able to learn how to play fantasy basketball and also make game-winning moves that will help them be successful with their team. I just want to thank you once again for purchasing this course, and I hope that you learn a lot about fantasy basketball and some of the strategies that I teach. And I hope that you can apply the things that you learn from this course.